Want to sell a house fast in Marion, Texas? Would you like to avoid the stress, cost, and hassle of working with a real estate agent? Are you facing a situation that you want to get behind you quickly? Danny Buys Houses is here to help. We buy houses for cash in Marion, Texas, and can close in as little as 7 days. Here's how it works. 1. Visit DannyBuysHouses.com and fill out our fast cash offer form or call us. 2. We quickly assess your property and schedule a time to see the house that works best for you. 3. We present you with a written, all-cash offer. We can close the deal fast, or if you need more time, slow. Selling your house for cash means no fees, no commissions, no lengthy negotiations, no professional inspections or appraisals, no repairs needed. Tons of stuff in the house? Just leave whatever you don't want. We take care of the paperwork. Forget about staging, showings, and waiting months for the perfect buyer. We are the perfect buyer, as witnessed by all of the reviews. We've helped hundreds sell their house fast for cash over the last 2 decades. Allow us to be your trusted partner. Contact Danny Buys Houses today and find out what we can offer you for your house exactly as it is.